Hey guys, my name is Hadi, and here are 3 things that I love about my keyboard. Let's go. I've been using the Apple Magic Keyboard all through my uni years, but over time, coding on the flat keyboard put strain on my wrist, and so I decided to look for a mechanical keyboard to relieve that pain. So I decided to go with Akko's PC75 mechanical keyboard. It's 75% profile keyboard that has useful control knob to control the volume and the keyboard brightness. I went from using ASA profile keys that came with the keyboard, but decided on switching to the XDA profile keys because I needed a lower actuation type keycap to make it easy for typing. But even that wasn't good enough because my fingers kept slipping off the key and I ended up clicking the wrong key. So I finally landed on getting the popular Cherry MX profile keycaps. These were similar in size to the XDA, but had way better control for typing and gaming. So it started off with the Akko's B3 creamy blue linear switch. They sounded pretty nice, but they were too loud for me to type on for long periods of time. So I moved on to Akko's silent fairy switch, which had a nice quiet sound to it when typing without headphones, but over time I noticed that the linear switches weren't the best for my preference when coding, as they don't have the pause before the click actuation like the tactile switches do. So I finally landed on my personal favorite silent switch by Akko, the Penguin tactile switch. It's a quiet, light, and has the perfect actuation speed when I'm coding. Alright guys, that's it for today. Let me know what was your favorite switch out of all 3 of them, and comment down below what's your favorite switch and keycap combination.